Saddle up, boys, and let's go racing!
GioVentures.
No, he didn't slam into you, he didn't bump you, he didn't nudge you, he rubbed you. And rubbing, son, is racing.
What up, GioVentures? Today I got another cool package from Modarri. I can't wait to see what's inside. Let's open this baby up. Whoa! Hey guys, I just got this new Modarri Nascar Track Pack. It comes with 2 cars, and this is so epic and legitness. Let's see what's inside. Hey guys, and here's the back of the box, and it shows you 4 examples, but you can make more than that. And you can mix and match to make more different kinds of Modarri cars. And so yeah, let's open this up. Hey guys, so this is everything that it comes with. 6 curved pieces, 2 wide pieces, 5 straight pieces, a car, and 2 extra pieces for the body, 8 barriers, 8 cones, a Modarri tool, and some stickers. Hey guys, let's build this cool main track. Track easy to build. Let's test this out and see how it works. So let's put it on the starting line. 3, 2, 1, go. Hey guys, even though that this kit comes with 1 car, this black car, we got another one of my Modarri cars and turned it into a NASCAR. And I have to have 2 NASCAR cars, and now we're gonna race them. Now let's put them in the starting line. 3, 2, 1, go. Hey guys, the cars are on the starting line, but let's add some accessories. Then the real race will begin. Now the real race will begin. In 3, 2, 1, go. If you're not rubbing, then you're not racing. Pit stop! They got all their oil and gas. Let's continue. Hey guys, what do you think of the special edition Modarri Nascar Track Pack? Leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button. See ya. Peace.